beautiful day. Let's do some gardening today. I need to clean up the patio too. I need to plant some flowers over there, and then I have some of these pots that I need to clean up, and let's do some harvesting. Look at the gorgeous blooms. And then on this side too, those are the flowers that I'm going to plant, and there are some vegetables too. And then look at these roses here too. On this raised bed, I'm going to plant Chinese cabbage, spinach, and then probably 2 of those arugula. The other boxes are not ready yet. We have peppers there and then eggplant here. You can have this row like Chinese cabbage, and then this like section like this spinach, and then arugula over there. Now let's harvest the tomatoes and then the pears, and I see a cucumber too that is ready. These tomatoes, I need to uproot these tomatoes so I can plant more vegetables on this side, because the tomato season is over. See how beautiful this is. Striped covering. Let's put on our basket. And now let's go to the other side. I think we have another tomato here. The Brad's Atomic. Oh, look at the strawberry, pink strawberry flowers. This is Brad's Atomic tomato. We got this from the Tomato Mania. So this is ready, and this one. These are Brad's Atomic tomatoes. I'm still waiting for the wing beans to bear flowers. I don't think they will. It seems like too late in the season. I'm not sure why they are not flowering. I can try again next season, or maybe they are late bloomers. I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm growing this. Here are the flowers here, and look at the roses. That one is in bloom. We have here too. Beautiful. This Mexican sage, which is like growing really tall now. And this is shiso, which is bolting. It's flowering already, but this is great in wrapping meat and seafood. And I'm going to collect the seeds for next season. And then here we have basil. Look at the basil. There's a bee. Bee. This is basil. And then I'm looking for the green zebra. I think I see green zebra over there. This is like blueberry. See that? I'll go to the other side. Oh, this one is fig. A lot of like tiny figs growing here. Let's go get, oh, and this is a lemon tree. Look at all the fruits. They are still green. And then this is the calamansi tree, or calamantine. Anyway, Let's harvest the there are still tiny ones, so I cannot uproot this like plant yet. I would like to wait for those 3 fruits there. This is green zebra, one of my favorite varieties of tomato. Beautiful. This one is, there are still some flowers, but I think it's too late. Now let's put our green zebra there, and then let's harvest some peppers. We have some, I planted this spinach, Chinese cabbage and arugula there. And then here we still have the peppers, which I'm going to harvest now. And then here we have some eggplants that are ready. On this side, let's harvest the cucumber. Oh, by the way, this is jute or saluyot. I planted a lot of seeds and only one germinated. This one. But I planted some indoor, which I will show in probably a couple of weeks. This is kale, our tree kale. We should have not bought another kale because we already have this actually. See, a lot of leaves that are ready for harvest. I can make soup. Now let's harvest the cucumbers. There's another one hiding here, so we have 3 cucumbers. And here you go. The peppers and the eggplant. This eggplant, and then there's another one here. So I have these eggplants. We need to leave, so let's harvest the rest of the peppers later. These are risotto peppers. We can saute this later. Striped covered. Here's my harvest. The peppers, the tomatoes, the eggplants, and then the cucumbers. 3 figs here. It's almost the tail end of the season. And then I see a pear here that is ready. Actually, a lot of them are ready, most likely, but this is what I'm going to harvest. Oh, it looks like a guava, but this is actually pear. As you can see from the leaves, there are more there that are ready. And there too. And on the other side too. But look at this gorgeous pear. This is mint. Sage too. And then lemon verbena. Here is the lemon verbena. I'll get the young leaves. Here's our calamansi, like this one. And here's my harvest. My tea, the calamansi and the herbs from the garden.